You see, if I want to punch him, I have to move closer to get it. And he keeps the distance.
Okay.
You see, my guard is like this, and he's like this. You see, I cannot punch him from here. If I want, I have to go over there. That's the main thing. And I can make the other.
Okay.
All of my blockades is the punch. You know, it's one in the same. The blockade and the punch. One move. You know, like this. You see, he's punching me in the eye. My fingers in his eyes. And he will blame.
Okay.
Good. In the real situation, he must go faster, and I must blockade faster. You know, you see now. This is the real situation. You know, I'm safety, but his eyes are evil. He's unsafety. If I must take him, if he want to, you know, I must put. All situation we must think. This is interesting technique. If somebody grabs you to your shoulder or something like that. He punches.